Hello guys, welcome to KJR videos. Today's very special videos on our channel. Myself Paras Kilzare, and let's start the video. Have you ever done a transaction? It is whether online transaction or ATM transaction, whatever. Uh, for today's video, we are going to explore how the online transaction and the ATM transaction are done. Have you know how we transfer money from one phone to another via any kind of UPI apps? It is such Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, and PayPal. Everything is done due to the UPI payments app. This is because the Indian government launched Beam app. It is initially released on 30th of December 2016. The Beam is actually called the Bharat Interface for Money. Due to this, we are able to do the transaction from one phone to another phone via UPI networks in India. This is very beneficial scheme for Indians. Due to this, digital India has got promoted in many of ways. We always use now the Google Pay, Phone Pay, UPI to all over. 1 rupees to 1 lakh rupees, the transaction limit in UPI are extreme. In this video, we are going to elaborate or telling you that how the UPI payment is done. It is actually done by, this is because this is possible only because of NFS. It is National Financial Switch. Uh, it is a kind of medium which is include Bhim UPI. The National Financial Switch NFS is allowed to do the transfer of money from one merchant bank account to another bank account via medium. The medium is called the UPI. Suppose in a Google Pay, we just share these UPI IDs. We just share the QR code or a mobile number which is linked to the bank account of any merchandise. Condition is that the mobile number are pre-registered to your account. Okay, next thing is that Google Pay is also allowed the payments to businesses, to groups of people, and individual people. People kind of transaction, only two persons are there and two banks are involved in the group. And second thing is, in the group kind of transaction, some group of 2 to 5 peoples are there. This is a group. And another thing is business. In business, many of the group many of the individual groups or people which is paid to the business, this is called business kind of account. And all three kinds of means people, group, and business account are possible in the Google Pay. Okay, here is one transaction details. Here we are given the pay, it's mean consumer means us, and the GMO, the payment gateway company, and the merchandise bank account. Suppose the condition is that you need to pay some $100 or 100 rupees to such a company which is buy something from you, or you buy something from this company. Or suppose you went to the shopping mall and you purchase something, the amount is desiring amount is 100 rupees, and you just scan the QR code and want to pay. And then there is a total number of 10 step which is carried out in fractions of second or 2 or 3 seconds, which is payment done. And how the payment done is, suppose I want to pay some money to Rahul, so just I click to the Rahul, and and after clicking their amount is, its amount is taken in some rupees, 10 to 15, some amount is taken in 10 to 15 rupees. Then there is a Bhim UPI pin is need to generate it. While you are first time using the UPI, there is a generation of a pin, or another pin is the pin is used due to the during the transaction, and this pin is not used to share with anyone. Okay, so such this procedure is done in the fraction of second, or hardly 2 to 5 seconds. Okay, we are the consumer and pay some amount to any mall or the owner of mall. Then first there is a first thing, the amount is goes to the first of all in a merchandise website, and this is transferred to the payment gateway. Here is payment gateway called GMO, and this payment gateway is further transferred by the card company, which is parent company of the merchandise, and the parent companies of the merchandise, and item which is linked to the merchandise means owner's bank account. It is commercial type of account. Then fourth step is come back to the from card company to GMO payment gateway. Then it is further, and it is further transferred to the merchandise website, and again to the customer. This step is very important. In this step, we need to drop our Bhim UPI pin, 4 number or 6 number digit pin. We need to apply there, and after all the seventh step, we are just clicking to OK button. Just here is done. We are clicking to the right icon. Okay, then the payment is done. Such kind. Have you ever thought that how the Google Pay, Phone Pay, and Paytm, or any Bhim UPI based app earn their money, or how they earn? So they earn due to the suppose we are take a recharge of 100 rupees from any company, and this recharge is done by the company in only 50 to 53 rupees, and rest of the rupees is only for the advertisement or processing fees and the beneficial amount, and some 2 to 3 rupees are returned back to the app, suppose to Google Pay. This is the revenue for Google Pay, to 4 to 5 rupees in some recharge, or any kind of some recharge, or any kind of payment pathway. Okay, I hope you are getting all of the points. This is my first video in English languages. I try my best, but this is not, I think, is best. So stay tuned with KJR videos. Thank you.